Docker host network mode. Let's explore when and how to use host networking for containers. What is host network mode? In host network mode, a container shares the host's network stack directly. This means there is no network isolation between the container and the host. Basic Docker host network command. To run a container in host network mode, use the command docker run with the flag network host, followed by the image name such as Nginx. This command ensures that the container uses the host's network interfaces directly. When to use host network. Consider using host networking in scenarios that require high performance, such as applications needing maximum network throughput, and for network tools like monitoring and network diagnostic containers. Host network limitations. Be aware of the limitations. Host network mode does not provide port isolation. Containers share the same port space as the host, and there are security concerns due to reduced network isolation. Practical example. Here's a practical example. Run a container in detached mode using the flag D, with the network set to host, using network host, and the image Nginx, Alpine. Then you can use the command curl http://localhost 80 to directly access the Nginx server running inside the container, which binds directly to the host port 80. Best practices. Use host networking sparingly, only when specific requirements demand it. Always prioritize security and understand the security implications before using host networking. Summary. Docker host network mode removes network isolation for maximum performance. It should be used for high-performance applications and network monitoring tools. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.